If you believe in the power of dreams, then you also need to believe in the superpower of 5 pillars of dreams that will help you to make those dreams come true. In this video, I'm gonna share with you 5 pillars of dream that will help you to get whatever you want. Guaranteed. Stay tuned. Welcome to the video. Last week I made a debut on YouTube and many of you have liked and subscribed to my channel. I'm grateful to you. People who have not seen that video, you can click on the link above and see that video. It talks about how to handle the people who laugh at your dreams. Now let us move to this video. In this video, I'm gonna decode the 5 pillars of dream for you that will help you to get whatever you want. Now before that, the question is, why these 5 pillars? Let us look around us. Everything that we see around us, whether it's mobile phone, technology, automobiles, electricity, everything started with a dream. And all of these dreams have been materialized because people who made them come true knew the 5 pillars of dreams very clearly and precisely. And if you are a dreamer, you also need to know these 5 pillars of dreams. If you understand this closely, nothing is gonna be impossible for you. So let us go ahead and decode that right away. Point number 1, the first pillar of dream is known as clarity. You need to be very clear and very precise about what you want in life. In other words, you also need to be precise and clear about what you do not want in life. One has to know both the aspects of their dream because this will help you to narrow down your focus and it will help you to achieve your goals effortlessly. So next time when you say that you want to become an actor, you need to also know that you have to say no to academic career, you need to say no to entrepreneurship opportunities, and you say no to every other thing that is stopping you from achieving your goal of becoming an actor. Also, clarity means be precise and be specific. It is not about just saying that you want to become an actor. It is also about saying that you want to become an actor with 3 web series in your hand by the end of 2021. It is not about saying that you want to become rich. It is about saying that you want to become rich by 10 lakh rupees before the end of 2021. The more precise you are, the more clear you can see your dreams. And the more clear you can see it, the more better you feel about it. And the more better you feel about it, the more easily you can achieve that dream. Point number 2, belief. Belief was, belief is, and belief will always be the seed of any dream. Now, what exactly is belief? Belief is nothing but a trust that you have in yourself that you will achieve your dream irrespective of whatever the situation is, whatever the resources you have, and what the people are saying to you. 10,000 people can tell you that you will not achieve your dream. But even in that situation, if you close your eyes and if your heart whispers, yes, I can, then that is known as belief. Remember to wake up daily and remind yourself that yes, you can. The more frequently you remind to yourself, the stronger your confidence will be. And the more confident you are, more stronger your belief will be. And the stronger your belief is, your dreams becomes easy, your end goals becomes easy. So remember to believe. Have a trust in yourself that yes, you will achieve whatever you have decided and whatever you desire. It is said that belief is halfway through. So remember, keep believing that you will achieve whatever you want. And in reality, you will be halfway through. Point number 3, action. Let us take an example of a mango seed. A mango seed has a potential to grow lakhs and lakhs of mangoes in a span of 40 to 50 years. But this will only happen when someone is there to sow the seed and water it regularly. Same is with the human potential. We all have more than enough of potential to achieve all of our dreams. But this will only happen when we act. Hence, remember to wake up daily and act. Now, action doesn't only mean executing, but it also means planning. So remember, plan based on your knowledge, understanding, and ideas you have in your mind, and execute on those plans. Furthermore, action also means accepting the result and learning from it. And lastly, action means giving more than 100%. Action is the thing that separates the dream in your mind and in real. The world boils down to people who takes action. So remember, act for your dream. It doesn't matter how small or big your dream is. What matters is that you are giving 100% day in, day out for your dream. Point number 4 is perseverance. Not giving up is one of the strong foundation of any dream. Chances are good that whatever action you take, the results will not be in your favor. In this case, it is wise for you to go ahead and learn from it and try different methods that will take you closer to your dream. Irrespective of whatever step you take, you need to stick to your dreams. You may fall one time, you may fall two times, or you may fall 2,000 times. But your job is to get up every time when you fall. Do whatever it takes, but just do not give up to the failure. When failure fails to fail you, you become successful. So just remember, take action daily and do not give up. Your dream will start with belief, but it will be only continued if you take regular action in spite of falling. So remember, be persistent and keep chasing your dreams. And the point number 5 is patience. At times in your life, during the journey of your dream, a time will come when everything will be done with the right way, using the right resources at the right time, but still you will not get what you want. This can be due to the external factor. In such scenario, it is wise to wait. Fighting such results is like swimming against the tide. You will end up losing. Understand that something are not meant to happen at a particular time. The results that you are not getting in your favor is part of the process. Do not lose your motivation. Do not lose your energy. You need to save that motivation and energy for your future action. Patience is the thing that will teach you how to accept result and still continue with your dreams. Patience is the key that will teach you that all the action shouldn't be what you have planned, but some action can also be unplanned. And this action could be waiting and understanding what went wrong and why it went wrong. And once you understand those things, you can be more calmer, you can be more understanding, and you can be more accepting. This will help you to take better action in future. So remember, have patience. Everything is not gonna happen the way you want right from the word go. Make patience your best friend and you will achieve your dreams. So these were the 5 pillars of dreams that will help you to get whatever you want, irrespective of whatever situation you are in right now. Since the inception of mankind, people have relied on these 5 pillars to make their dream come true, and you are no different. Take the opportunity of understanding these 5 pillars, act accordingly, and very soon you will get what you want. So thank you for watching this video. I have made the same video in Hindi. You can watch that. The link is below in the description box. I have 2 channels, one in Hindi and another in English. You can subscribe to both or one according to your taste. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter for further update. If you have any special request, you can mention it in the below comment box and I will try to make video based on your request. So thank you for watching this video. If you feel this is worthy, then go ahead and share it with your friends, family members and loved ones. You can also subscribe to my channel and tell your friends and family members to do the same. So thank you once again for watching my video. This is Samir. Until we meet next, stay awesome.